The wait is finally over. Introducing Miracle Hair Treatment Shampoo and Conditioner. Now, if you love our hero product, Miracle Hair Treatment, you're gonna love these. Okay, let's talk shampoo first. As you can see, this is an ultra-rich formula, but also a really lightweight shampoo. Now, if you've ever used a sulphate-free shampoo and it's been a while between washes, you'll know you'll need to give it at least 2 washes. Because our Miracle shampoo is sulphate-free and has hyaluronic acid, which repairs the hair while cleansing, it's a low foaming shampoo, so be sure to give your hair a double wash for a richer lather. Now let me show you the conditioner. This is so luxurious and super hydrating. It's like nothing you've ever felt before. You can actually feel it restoring the hair's natural moisture. Okay, while Lockie gets her hair dried off, I'm going to talk you through the key features and benefits. It has hyaluronic acid, which helps improve hydration, softness, and shine in the hair. It remains on the hair even after wash and drying, which significantly increases natural hair hydration without build-up or weighing it down. It's a humectant that helps retain hair moisture, reduce frizz and porosity. It has cucumber extract, which is rich in vitamin A and C and helps soothe the scalp. It has chamomile flower extract, which helps promote hair strength and helps minimize the occurrence of split ends. Rosemary leaf extract helps nourish the hair. And papaya fruit extract, which adds shine and bounce to the hair. What I love, it also has heat protection up to 220 degrees Celsius or 428 degrees Fahrenheit. It's also the perfect shampoo and conditioner for color protection and gloss. So we've just dried off Lockie's hair, and as you can see, it's super hydrated, really lightweight, with a beautiful shine. That's Miracle Hair Treatment Shampoo and Conditioner.